The next one I want to go over is scheduled actions. So each time someone creates a subscription, they have scheduled actions that get fired. So let's just go back into this Johan Santana subscription. So his next payment is due December 12th, as you can see right here. So just understanding this is going to probably make you know more about WooCommerce subscriptions. So if I go to the status tab right here, WooCommerce status, and I can click this scheduled actions tab, and I can see, here's are all the scheduled actions, and there's 8 pending. So I can see the subscription ID right here was 289. If I come back here, I can see that this hook WooCommerce scheduled subscription payment is pending, and it's going to run right here. So it's going to run on December 12th at 8:57, and right here we see December 12th at 0257. So this is in UTC time, so that makes sense why it's 6 hours ahead. This is basically just saying when this date happens, this is when that renewal payment is going to fire and creating a new renewal. So something I could test out right here is I could just click run, right? So I could click run and I could see what this happens. Successfully ran this scheduled action. And if I come back here and I refresh it, I should see, I'm gonna just pull this up real quick before I refresh. So this is our parent order and we should have a renewal order. Cool. So I'm just gonna refresh this and I can see that another renewal order was created based on that scheduled action I did. And if this makes more sense, I can go pending. We also can just let's just search for this real quick. We can search for this right here and we can see all the scheduled actions. And now if I come back right here, I can see that there's another scheduled action that this will probably get canceled the next time, but you can see that the scheduled date's still happening, and I would have to edit this subscription right here to go, let's do this on the 4th of next month, or we can do the 12th or whatever it is. And when I save that, that's going to create another scheduled action, 289. And I can see that after updating that to January 12th right here, this scheduled action was updated here. So I could kind of search for this strain right here. And you guys probably can't see that well, but WooCommerce scheduled subscription payment. Hopefully this is helpful. I don't know, but this is just an easy way to see everything that's happening.